Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We put this one go in here. So we have the positive. Next, this one we put on the left, e to the power of y we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, about this one, we can put into s plus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2 ds. The square root is about 1 over 2. So if I want to put this one go to numerator, we need to have the negative sign. Now, we have the formula in here. The integration of as plus b to the power of c ds, we have as plus b to the power of c plus 1 over a multiplied by c plus 1, and we put about c, and this is the technique how to find this one. So we have s plus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over number 1. Number 1, that's about coefficient of s is about number 1, multiplied by negative 1 over 2 plus 1. And we have this integration in here. This one is about 1 over 2. This one is about 1 over 2. And now I will go to this one. So this one we can put into ye to the power of negative y. So we need to use about integration by parts. And we can put about u equals to y. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to dy. dv we have e to the power of negative y dy. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative e to the power of negative y. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative sign in here, so you got about positive. And we have the integration of e to the power of negative y dy. The integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative y, and we put about c. And now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.